Creating wireframe in Figma is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to create wireframe in Figma. So for that, we will go to the Figma website, obviously. I'm just going to go to the Figma, and here I'm going to go to this website. It will take me to the Figma. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this empty. Now I'm going to click on this empty project, which I haven't changed since 5 months. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a box, and this is the basic thing. You guys can do this if you use Figma. You guys most probably know this. I'm just going to add a text with saying sign up. I will be creating a wireframe for the sign up page. Sign up. I'm just going to select all of the text, increase the size a little bit more. I'm just going to make it 36. I'm just going to make it bold, and I'm going to color it for black. And now, place it right here. Now I'm going to create a new rectangle, and I'm going to create this. Use this for adding the wireframe of email address. So what will I do is I will just add some of the border to it, and I will add the filling of it to gray. This will be perfect. I'll just copy it and paste here, and I'll do this for this one is for obviously for email, and this one should be for password. Now what will I do is I will add the wireframes in them. So for that, what will I do is I'll have to create a new rectangle. I'm just going to create a new rectangle having the border for 100, and adding the color to full black. I'm just going to add the full black color, and then we can adjust it by doing this. I'm going to reduce its opacity to 40. 40 will work. I don't think 40 will work. Yes, the 40 will work. I'm just going to place it right here, copy it, and paste it here. Now, as you guys can see, these are the wireframes These are the wireframes that are made on Figma, which was pretty easy thing to do. So that's how I do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.